are we going to be making today? Today we are going to make Jello roll-ups! Jello roll-ups! You will need 1 cup of water, your favorite kind of Jello, and marshmallows! You will also need cooking spray, a baking dish, and a whisk. Let's begin. You open the bag and pour it in the bowl. Pour in hot water and then mix. Add 2 cups of marshmallows. Then microwave it for 1 minute and mix again until all the marshmallows are melted. Pour into a greased baking dish. Then put it in the fridge to cool. Now that it's cool, cut them into rows. And then roll it up and roll it up. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your favorite kind of Jello and marshmallow. I'm okay. Oops, caught me. Then put it in the refrigerator